Look at her. She all up in the mirror. Look at it. Yeah, she all up in the mirror. Hey yo, MCEMU, what up though, man? It's Shorty the Prince, man. I'm coming to party to have a good time with all the college girls out there, okay? If you got beauty, booty, and brains, this is where you need to be, man. Thursday, October 27th, is going out at the Skate Station, man. All right, one time for the ladies at Eminence Media Group. I heard y'all out here, you know what I'm saying, getting the promo on, looking real good while doing it. That's my man Jay Gaines told me, man. So I hope to see you there and everybody else there, man. It's going down, Skate Station in Canton. It's 15 minutes from y'all, man. Nowhere they got the party buses shuttling. So let's get drunk. Let's have a good time, man. Let's party Thursday, October 27th, the Halloween skate party. Don't be scared. We there.
Indeed. You already
Jay
know
Gaines,
man. It's your boy Jay Gaines, Eminence Media Group, October 27th, man. It's going down. Shorty the Prince, John Brown.
John Brown gonna be there too.
It's going down, man. Eastern, you already know what it is, man. Eminence, we out here. Shout out
Get
to
drunk,
Media
man.
Group.
Drinks on Jay Gaines all night.
Indeed, man.
So you from out of town with the pretty ass smile, so you know they got a frown. What you drinking?